Hi guys, welcome to the next video of Know How To. It is very awkward for parents when they come to know that their child is watching some sexually explicit content over internet. Some of them directly want to talk to their children, but generally due to their tender age of their child, parents prevent themselves from confronting as it could hurt them mentally and emotionally. So we are providing a solution to restrict the children to watch adult content over internet. We had filtered many methods, so we will see one by one. So our first method is how to restrict the content using Windows. For demo purpose we are using Windows 8, but most of the steps are similar in Windows 7 and Windows 8. So to use first method, you need to log in via administrative account in your computer. So you have to go to control panel. For example, I need to type control and I need to click on control panel. Once you click on control panel, a window will pop up and you have to go to network and internet. So once you click on network and internet, then click on internet options, and after clicking on internet option, a window has been popped up and you have to go to content. So here, as you can see, the first option is control the internet content that can be viewed, and here you have to click on family safety. So click on family safety, and as once you click on family safety, you will go to a window. There you have to click on this accounts, because it is telling to turn on family safety, add a new child's account, or change an existing account to a child's account in accounts. So I need to select that account which I want to control through my administrative account. Okay, so I need to click on this accounts option, and here as you can see in my accounts folder I have one account, namely your child, and the Gmail ID of that account is restrictyourchild@gmail.com. so I have to select this and I need to edit it, because for now this account is, the account type of this account is standard user, but I need to make it as child account. So click on this child account and click OK. So after clicking on child, as you can see, the account type is child. Here it is telling that this account is of child type. Now you have to come back, and here you can see that we can choose a account from these two accounts. Suppose I want to restrict the content in your child account, so I need to click on this account. So once I click on it, a screen window has been popped up, and here I need to set some settings so that we can restrict the content. So here, set up how your child will use the PC. So now I need to use family safety on, enforce current settings. So click on this radio button and now come down, and here activity report on, collect information about PC users. So after clicking on this radio button, you will come to know that what your child is doing over internet. Everything will get recorded. So here now you have to click on web filtering, control the websites your child can access online. So click on web filtering option, and here you can see which websites can your child view. So I have two options here. The first one is your child can use all websites. So I don't want to set this option, because I want to restrict some of the adult sites that my child cannot watch. So here I need to go to the second option, your child can only use the websites I allow. So go to the second option, and now come to web restrictions. So here as you can see, which websites can your child visit. So here there are many options. We will read one by one, and what it will affect if I am going to set it, we will see. Choose a web restriction label, allow list only. The first option is allow list only. Here the child can view websites on the allow list. Adult sites are blocked. So I can click on this option, and it will say that you have chosen allow list only but haven't specified any allowed websites. This user wouldn't be able to browse the web at all. So here we need to click to change allow list, and here you can mention enter websites to allow or block. Here we can mention a website, and we can, after entering a website, we can allow that website or we can block that website, or else we can see other methods also. Second one is designed for children. So this option is especially designed for children, and this contains only those websites which are applicable for children's. So the child can view websites on the allow list and website designed for children. Adult sites are blocked. So here you need not to mention any website, and it will directly filter out all those websites which are only for adult use, and children will be restricted to see those websites. Okay, and I had selected this option, and the third option is general interest. The child can view websites on the allow list, websites designed for children, and websites from the general interest category. Adult sites are blocked. So this broaden the area of the designed for children websites, and here online communication websites are also available, and the last option is warn on adult. So the child can view all websites but receives a warning when a site contains suspected adult content. So I need to click on designed for children specific option, and here after completing this step, I can come to the next step where allow or block websites is there, and here I can type any website. Suppose one of the most famous adult website is xvideos.com, and I can type the URL of that website, and here I can block that website. So we can block this. So here in blocked website we had got that xvideos.com website. So after clicking on cancel, these will be saved, and you need to click on OK button. So these changes will get saved, and you can restrict your children by viewing all these sexually explicit content over internet. In the next method, we will see how to block adult sites using safe search in Google. So for that you need to open your browser. Suppose I am using Chrome and I need to open that browser, and here you have to go to a particular URL of Google. If your search engine is Google, then you need to go to www.google.com preferences. As you can see, this is the URL, and after clicking on this, the first option is safe search filters. So in safe search can help you block inappropriate or explicit images from your Google search results. The safe search filter isn't 100% accurate, but it helps you avoid most violent and adult content. So you need to click on this checkbox, turn on safe search, and after checking this checkbox, scroll down and you need to save this. So after saving, it will ask your preference has been saved, and click OK. So once you type any content or you want to search anything on Google, and it will automatically filter out all those images or all those videos or websites that are restricted for children. Please note that your safe search setting will reset if you delete browser cookies. When deleting cookies from your web history, you must re-enable safe search in the search setting menu. Okay, so once you click you delete all these cookies, your settings will gone, and you need to set these settings again. So this was the second method, and in third method we will see how to block adult websites using browser extensions or add-ons. So generally most of the public use two browsers. First one is Google Chrome and another one is Firefox. So we will see in both browsers how to block these websites. So here the Google Chrome is there, and here after opening this browser I need to go to this symbol, and after clicking on it I can see that there are more tools option, and after going there I need to click on extensions option, as I need to block these websites by using extensions. So come down and you will see one of the option is get more extensions. So click on it, and here you can search the extension that you want. So to block adult websites we have a very effective extension that is known as Wave Filter. So I need to click on Wave Filter, or I need to search on Wave Filter Pro, the best filtering add-on. So I need to click on it, and once you click on it you will see this is that add-on, and we can directly add this extension to our Chrome after clicking on Add to Chrome button. So we will see how to add this extension in Firefox. So you need to open your Firefox, and here you need to go to Tools, and you need to click on Add-ons, and after clicking on Add-ons you need to search Wave Filter Pro. So after searching, as you can see, I got this option Wave Filter Pro, the wave content filtering add-on. So I need to click on install button, and now downloading has been completed, and Wave Filter, the content filtering add-on, will be installed after you restart the Firefox. So I need to restart the Firefox once, and this add-on will automatically installed in my computer, in my machine. And when I am using this browser, and if I type anything that is related with adult content, it will restrict me to view those content. Okay, so it is very effective method, and if you are getting any issue or facing any issue related with downloading these extensions, you can directly write to developers of this extension and they can help you out. Thank you. To see more videos related with computers, please like, subscribe and share know how to. Thank you.